Super truck! Hi, Steve. Hi, Billy. Looks like you got here just in time. There are a lot of potholes that need fixing on this road, and we don't want anyone to have an accident. Wow, Billy, that's a big pile of gravel you have to move. Okay, it's your turn, Steve. Let's see how nice and smooth you can make the road, so it's safe for vehicles to drive on again. Oh no, Steve, what's happening? It seems like something's wrong, Steve. Oh no, that doesn't sound good. For you, Steve. You must be out of steam. I think you might need some repair work done. Don't worry, Steve. I'll call the tow truck to come and get you. Meanwhile, let's get Carl to call the super truck for help. You'll need to have this road ready for rush hour today.
And the clock is ticking. Carl, wake up. Steve and Billy were doing some road repair. And Steamroller broke down. Can you help? Great, let's get going. We really appreciate your help, Carl. Which vehicle do you think you will transform into? Yes, that's it, Carl. A steamroller is a perfect choice. Time to transform, Carl. I can hardly recognize you. You're a mighty steamroller now. Let's go! We're here. Okay, Steve's super truck can take over now. Here's Tom to take you to the garden. Bye, Steve. Don't worry, we'll complete the job for you. Here's where the potholes are, super truck. You can see that Billy has already filled them with gravel. That's right, super truck. It's good to take it slow and easy. The roller needs to completely flatten any bumps and rough patches. Steve, it's good to see you back in top shape. Look at the fantastic job that super truck did while you were being repaired. Everyone did a great job.